Today's topic is how FinTech is effective for new generation. FinTech has the potential to be very effective for the new generation, providing innovative and convenient financial services that cater to their needs. The future of FinTech looks very promising as technology continues to advance rapidly and the demand for financial services grows. FinTech has the potential to revolutionize the way we manage our money, and it can be particularly effective for the new generation. Mobile banking and payment systems are becoming increasingly popular, and this trend is expected to continue. With the help of FinTech, banks and financial institutions can develop mobile apps that allow users to perform transactions, manage their accounts, and access financial services on the go. This is especially useful for younger generations who are more likely to use smartphones and tablets for banking and financial activities. Mobile banking and payment systems can provide a convenient and efficient way to manage finances, and they can help individuals stay on top of their finances while on the go. Personalized financial advice and planning is another area where FinTech has the potential to be very effective for the new generation. FinTech can use algorithms and data analytics to provide personalized recommendations for financial planning and advice. With the help of FinTech, financial advisors can analyze a client's financial situation and provide tailored advice on investments, saving, and budgeting. This can be especially effective for the new generation, who may not have the financial literacy skills to manage their money effectively. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology have gained a lot of attention in recent years, and FinTech has played a significant role in their development. Blockchain technology can be used to create a decentralized system that is secure, transparent, and efficient, while cryptocurrencies can be used for payments, investments, and asset management. This technology can be especially effective for the new generation, who are more likely to embrace new technologies and digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology can provide an alternative to traditional banking and investment systems, and they can empower individuals and businesses by giving them greater control over their finances. Digital wealth management platforms have become increasingly popular in recent years, and this trend is expected to continue. With the help of FinTech, financial institutions can develop online platforms that allow users to manage their investments, monitor their portfolio, and access financial advice. This can be especially effective for the new generation, who may not have the time or expertise to manage their investments effectively. Digital wealth management platforms can provide a simple and easy-to-use way to invest in stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments, and they can help individuals build wealth over time. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding have become popular alternatives to traditional banking and investment systems, and FinTech has played a significant role in their development. With the help of FinTech, peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding platforms can provide access to credit and investment opportunities for individuals and businesses. This can be especially effective for the new generation, who may not have access to traditional banking and investment systems. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding platforms can provide a way for individuals and businesses to raise capital and access credit without going through traditional financial institutions. In addition to these specific areas, FinTech can also be effective for the new generation by providing greater financial inclusion and empowerment. FinTech can provide access to financial services for individuals and businesses who may not have had access before, and it can empower them by giving them greater control over their finances. FinTech can also help individuals and businesses save time and money by providing more efficient and cost-effective financial services. However, it is important to note that FinTech is not without its challenges and risks. FinTech companies must navigate complex regulatory environments, and they must ensure the security and privacy of their users' financial information. FinTech also faces challenges in terms of customer adoption and trust, as many individuals and businesses may be hesitant to use new and unfamiliar financial services. In conclusion, the future of FinTech is bright and promising, and it has the potential to be very effective for the new generation.